another video, and today I'm going to show you how I prepare my curry chicken and white rice. Now everybody cooks differently, but this is how I make mine. Curry chicken is something that I actually cook at least one time for the week because I love curry. My son loves curry, and I know pretty much almost everyone loves curry. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers, and always remember to share, comment, and click that notification bell so you can always see when I have new videos uploaded. All right guys, thank you so much and enjoy the video. So I just start by cleaning the chicken, just getting rid of the unwanted parts of the chicken, fats and stuff like that. I just chop the chicken in small pieces. Don't mind my knife, I actually damaged it by cutting a coconut. Then I wash chicken with vinegar and some lemon. Well, I use half a lemon. You can use lime as well. You just, wash the chicken really well. So now I'm just adding some blended seasoning to the chicken. If you want to see how I make this, just watch my how to make oxtail video and you'll see how I make this seasoning. So I added some chicken seasoning, added some black pepper, added some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So adding some curry from Island Spice, some turmeric from Island Spice as well, and some good old beta curry. I love to use more than one curry, so you just massage that in there until it's fully mixed. Then you're gonna marinate overnight or for an hour or so if you're gonna do it the same day. So now I just cut up 1 sweet pepper, 1 onion, and some scallion. So then you're going to add the curry chicken to the oil once the oil has heated up. And you're going to basically let it sit in the oil for like 10 minutes while you gradually, turn it over so it doesn't burn with a spoon. Once the oil dry down, it's going to look like that. So then afterwards, you're going to add a little water, just like that. After you add the water now. Then I went ahead and just add some pimentos. Then I added some thyme. So I just add my vegetables now. I normally add carrots, garlic and stuff like that. But garlic is in the blended seasoning. And I don't have any Irish today. But it's going to be good regardless. I learned to cook with what I have growing up with my grandmother. So you're just gonna cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. Then I just add a Scotch bonnet. A little of this Scotch bonnet hot sauce from Grace. I love it. So whenever I don't have any Irish or I don't feel like using the flour to thicken my gravy, I'll add some Maggi soup mix, and trust me, it works wonders. It thickens that gravy, but I use a little bit of it, and it also adds flavor. That's one of the ways of how I make curry. I have like 2 other ways how I make curry. Sometimes I burn the curry first and different ways. But yes, and look at that. As the gravy thickens, as the chicken cook, I just add a little butter and there you go. There you have it. Well done. I have a lot of gravy because I love gravy. So once ready, you can serve with rice or whatever it is you want to eat it with and just enjoy.